Maraming taong aliw na aliw sa panonood ng wrestling. At kabilang dyan ang mga Pinoy. In fact, big attraction si Batista nang dumalaw siya sa Pilipinas. Kabilang sa mga hindi nagpapaawat ay ang negosyanteng si Kenway Chi. Hindi lang siya mahilig manood ng wrestling, nangongolekta rin siya ng wrestlers.
Actually, I started collecting WWE figures way back late 2005. Just in time for February 2006, pumasok itong Raw wrestlers. At that time, I was collecting ng ganyan. Wala pa locally dito mga figures eh. So, I need to source abroad and sa mga fellow collectors ko. So, unti-unti na-develop. So, na-develop na namin ang mga connections. We even have these forums, Wrestle Freaks, para mag-join natin ng wrestling fans para ma-promote ang wrestling here. So, unti-unti, na-collect ko lahat to. Then, after, medyo, di naman sawa sa figures, parang paulit-ulit lang sila. Different costume, different attire, different version. Then, I collected the belts. Actually, yung belts, marami silang belts, na championship belts. So, Pinoy, Batista. So, I got the belt. Then, after that, I got the John Cena belt. I'm not sure kung familiar kayo. The first belt I ever got was the World Championship belt worn by Hulk Hogan.
Ang totoo niyan, hindi lang wrestlers at championship belts ang kinokolekta ni Kenway. Pati si Superman, kinokolekta din niya. And he is so passionate about the hobby.
Magkano yan? Malahal na. You could buy a brand new car with everything here right now.
But back to his collection of wrestlers. Bakit ba siya nahihilig dito? At ano ang reaksyon ng pamilya niya?
I always tell my wife na because nung bata ako, di ako ulang ganyan eh. Ngayon ko lang gusto eh. Ngayon ko lang nagustuhan. My family is very supportive. Even my dad, my mom, my brothers, they also help me. When they go abroad, nagpapabili na ako na bilhin nila ito. So they do buy. My wife also, when she was still, binibili niya mga stuff na gusto ko. There are lots of people who collect eh. There are stamps, guns, cars, chicks, mga ganyan. I just collect toys. That's it. It's not for the kids. It's for the kids at heart. People like us. Because we have the money. Hindi naman bata eh. Toy collecting is very addicting. So be sure if you're gonna collect it, collect some a line sa akin lang dedication. Because there's a lot of collectors na you buy toys there, then just thinking na tataas ng value, then I could sell it for a profit. That's not toy collecting. For me, it's a passion eh. So, kanya-kanyang degree of passion, passion ng tao. But I encourage people who wants to collect, go for it. Toy collectors will help you. Just avoid scalpers and hoarders.